Hello my dear students, welcome back to the video lesson. I am Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I am going to teach you exercise 8C of lesson number 8. Children, this is a revision worksheet, and in this exercise we will be dealing with the topic fractions of money and measures, and I will be doing some more sums for practice on this particular topic, that is fractions of money and measures. So let's get started. Children, we have already learned how to do the multiplication of a fraction by another fraction or by a whole number. So we will apply that concept in solving the fractions of money and measures. So let's begin the exercise 8C and let's do some more sums from this exercise as our practice. So let us do the first sum, which is the first question, C part. So here you have to find out 3 by 8 of 80. So now children, this is very simple. 3 by 8 of 80 means 3 by 8 multiplied by 80. So now in the numerator part you are going to multiply 3 by 80 and denominator part you will write 8. Now children, you can see that you can divide 80 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator by common number 8. So 80 divided by 8 gives 10 and 8 divided by 8 gives 1. So what is left? 3 multiplied by 10 in the numerator upon 1 in the denominator. So our answer is 30, right? Now let's come to the next question, which is E part of question number 1. Here we have to find 5 by 12 of 30. So 5 by 12 of 30 means 5 by 12 multiplied by 30. Now in the next step we are going to write 5 multiplied by 30 in the numerator upon 12 in the denominator. Now children, we can divide 30 in the numerator and 12 in the denominator by common number 6. That is, we can divide 30 by 6 as well as 12 by 6. So 30 divided by 6 gives 5 and 12 divided by 6 gives 2. So now we have 5 multiplied by 5 upon 2, which is equal to 25 upon 2. And since it is an improper fraction, we need to change it into mixed fraction, which is equal to 12 1 by 2. And this is our final answer. Now children, let's come to the next question. This is question number 2, B part. Here you have to find 3 by 5 of 15 by 39. So 3 by 5 multiplied by 15 upon 39. Now what we will do? In the numerator we will write 3 multiplied by 15 and in the denominator we will write 5 multiplied by 39. Now children, we can divide 3 in the numerator and 39 in the denominator by common number 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives 1 and 39 divided by 3 gives 30. Now we will divide 15 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator by common number 5. So 15 divided by 5 gives 3 and 5 divided by 5 gives 1. So now what is left? Let us see. 1 multiplied by 3 in the numerator upon 1 multiplied by 13 in the denominator. So our answer is 3 by 30. Now let's do the next question. This is C part of question number 2. Here we have to find 3 by 4 of 3 2 by 3. Now here children, 3 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. So in the first step we are going to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? So let us see how we will do. 3 by 4 multiplied by 11 upon 3. That is 3 2 by 3 will become 11 by 3. Now, in the next step, we will write 3 multiplied by 11 upon 4 multiplied by 3. Now, children, we can divide 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator by common number 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So now what is our answer? Our answer is 11 upon 4. And 11 upon 4 is an improper fraction, so we are going to change it into mixed fraction, which is equal to 2 3 by 4. Now children, the next question is fill in the blanks. So the first one is 3b. So here what you have to do, 3 by 8 of rupees 15 is equal to rupees dash. So you have to find out how much rupees is 3 by 8 of rupees 15. So let us find out. 3 by 8 of 15 can be written as 3 by 8 multiplied by 15, which in turn is equal to 3 multiplied by 15 upon 8, which is equal to 45 by 8. And this is an improper fraction. So when it is changed into mixed fraction, it will become 5 by 8. So we can say that 3 by 8 of rupees 15 is equal to rupees 5 by 8. Now let's come to the next question. And in the next question, this is the D part of question number 3. And in this question, we have to find 7 by 10 of rupees 50 is equal to how much rupees? So 7 by 10 of rupees 50 can be written as 7 by 10 multiplied by 50, which is equal to 7 multiplied by 50 upon 10. Now children, we can divide 50 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator by common number 10. So 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5 and 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. So now what is left? 7 multiplied by 5 upon 1, which in turn is equal to 35. So 7 by 10 of rupees 50 is equal to rupees 35. Now children, let's do another sum. Here you will do the third C. So what is the question? The question is 4 by 5 of a rupee is equal to dash paisa. So you have to find out that 4 by 5 of a rupee is equal to how many paisa. Now children, a rupee means 1 rupee. Okay, so what we will write? 4 by 5 of a rupee is equal to 4 by 5 multiplied by 1, because a rupee means 1 rupee. Now children, you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, or we can say that in 1 rupee there are 100 paisa. Therefore 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So in place of 1 rupee we can write 100 paisa. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 100 paisa. Now this is equal to 4 multiplied by 100 upon 5. And now children, we can divide the 100 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator by common number 5. So 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20 and 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So now this is equal to 4 multiplied by 20 upon 1, which is equal to 80 paisa. So 4 by 5 of a rupee is equal to 80 paisa. Now let's do the next question. 4 by 8 of a rupee is equal to how many paisa? So now children, let us see again. A rupee means 1 rupee. So we can write 4 by 8 of a rupee as 4 by 8 multiplied by 1 rupee. And now as we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So in place of 1 rupee we can write 100 paisa. So this will become 4 by 8 multiplied by 100 paisa. Now children, what we will do? Let us see. This is equal to 4 multiplied by 100 upon 8. And we can divide the numerator 4 and the denominator 8 by common number 4. And 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So what is left? 1 multiplied by 100 upon 2 paise. This is again children, we can divide 100 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator by common number 2. So when we divide 100 by 2 we get 50, and when we divide 2 by 2 we get 1. So now we have this is equal to 50 paise. So we can say that 4 by 8 of a rupee is equal to 50 paise. Now let's do the 4b. Here we have 5 by 9 of 45 kg is equal to how many kg? So let us find out. 5 by 9 of 45 kg, we can write it as 5 by 9 multiplied by 45 kg, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 45 upon 9. Now we can divide 45 in the numerator and 9 in the denominator by common number 9. So 45 divided by 9 gives 5 and 9 divided by 9 gives 1. So now what is left? 5 multiplied by 5 upon 1, which in turn is equal to 25 kg. So we can say that 5 by 9 of 45 kg is equal to 25 kg. Now children, let's come to the next question, and the next question is 4D. Here we have 69 upon 100 of a kg is equal to how many grams? Now children, a kg means 1 kg. Therefore, 69 upon 100 of a kg, we can write it like this. 69 upon 100 multiplied by 1 kg. Now children, we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So we can write 69 upon 100 multiplied by 1000 gram. Now this is equal to, now we can divide 1000 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator by common number 100. So 1000 divided by 100 gives 10 and 100 divided by 100 gives 1. So this in turn is equal to 69 multiplied by 10 upon 1 gram, which in turn is equal to 690 grams. So we can say that 69 upon 100 of a kg is equal to 690 grams. Now children, the next question is question number 5a. Here we have to find out 7 by 10 of a kilometer is equal to how many meters? 7 by 10 of a kilometer, since a kilometer means 1 kilometer, so 7 by 10 of a kilometer can be written as 7 by 10 multiplied by 1 kilometer. Now children, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So in place of 1 kilometer we can write 1000 meter. So this is equal to 7 by 10 multiplied by 1000 meter. Now children, this is equal to 7 multiplied by 1000 upon 10. Now we can divide 1000 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator by common number 10. So this is equal to 1000 divided by 10 is equal to 100 and 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. So now what is left? 7 multiplied by 100 upon 1, which in turn is equal to 700 meters. Now let's come to the next question. So this is question number 5, B part. Here we have 4 by 5 of 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So we have to find out that 4 by 5 of 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters. Now children, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 4 by 5 of 1 meter can be written like this: 4 by 5 multiplied by 1 meter, which in turn can be written as 4 by 5 multiplied by 100 centimeters, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now children, this in turn is equal to 4 multiplied by 100 upon 5 centimeter. Now we can divide 100 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator by common number 5. So 100 divided by 5 gives 20 and 5 divided by 5 gives 1. So now what is left? 4 multiplied by 20 upon 1, which in turn is equal to 80 centimeters. So 4 by 5 of 1 meter is equal to 80 centimeters. Now children, let's do the next sum, which is 6a. Here we have to find out 11 upon 20 of 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters. So 11 by 20 of 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? So children, 11 by 20 of 1 liter can be written as 11 by 20 multiplied by 1 liter. And now children, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we can write 11 by 20 multiplied by 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 11 multiplied by 1000 upon 20. Now children, 1000 in the numerator and 20 in the denominator can be divided by a common number 20. So 1000 divided by 20 gives 50 and 20 divided by 20 gives 1. So now what do we have? We have 11 multiplied by 50 upon 1. Right? And now children, this is equal to 550 milliliters. And this is our answer. That is 11 by 20 of 1 liter is equal to 550 milliliters. Now let's come to the next question. This is B part of question number 6. 3 by 14 of 56 liter is equal to how many liter? So 3 by 14 of 56 liter can be written as 3 by 14 multiplied by 56 liter. Right? Now, this is equal to 3 multiplied by 56 upon 14. Now children, we can divide 56 in the numerator and 14 in the denominator by common number 14. So 56 divided by 14 gives 4 and 14 divided by 14 gives 1. So now what is left? 3 multiplied by 4 upon 1, which in turn is equal to 12 liters. So this is our answer. 3 by 14 of 56 liters is equal to 12 liters. This way we have come to the end of our video lesson. I hope children, you have very well understood all the sums that have been explained in this video lesson. So thank you my dear students. Keep watching, keep learning.